Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Once your system is updated, install the Python and other dependencies using the following command. Once all Python dependencies are installed, install the next package with the following command. Next, verify the version using the next command. Odoo uses PostgreSQL as a database backend, so you will need to install it on your server. You can do this by the following command. Once the PostgreSQL is installed, create a PostgreSQL user using the next command. Before starting, it is a good idea to create a dedicated user to run the Odoo instance. You can create a new user named Odoo using the following command. Once the user is created, switch to this user and download the latest version of Odoo with the following command. Next, change the directory to Odoo and create a Python virtual environment using the next command. Next, activate the virtual environment using the following command. Install the wheel package with the next command. Edit the requirements txt file and update some requirements. Change the following lines. Save and close the file, then install all the dependencies using the following command. Once all dependencies are installed, deactivate from the virtual environment using next command. Create a directory to store Odoo add-ons and exit from the Odoo user with the following command. Next, edit the Odoo configuration file by running the next command. Add the following clients. Save and close the file, then create a directory to store the Odoo log and change the ownership. Next, you will need to create a system service file to manage the Odoo servers. You can create it with the following command. Add the following clients. Save and close the file, then reload the system daemon with the following command. Next, start the Odoo servers and enable it to start at system reboot. Now you can check the status of the Odoo servers. It is a good idea to configure Nginx as a reverse proxy for Odoo. First, install the Nginx package using the next command. When Nginx is installed, create an Nginx virtual configuration file for Odoo. Add the following clients. Rename the server name for your domain name or just for your IP address. Save and close the file, then verify the Nginx for any syntaxis configuration error. You should see the following output. Finally, restart the Nginx servers to apply the changes. Next, edit the Odoo configuration file and enable the proxy settings. Add the following client. Save and close the file, then restart the Odoo services to apply the changes. You can now verify the Nginx status using the following command. Now open your web browser and access the Odoo web interface using your URL. Provide your Odoo master password, email, database and click on Create Database button. You should see the Odoo dashboard on the following page. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.